Hi, welcome to Katerina Finds. Today we will review a rolling stool.
So here's the seat. Super easy instruction. So we take this one, we take this inner part, so let's see.
The rolling stool with wheels is designed for easy maneuvering around the salon, office, or studio. Customize your seating experience with adjustable height function. Made of high-quality materials, the rolling stool can meet the needs of busy workspaces. PU leather padded seat providing support and cushioning for a long period of standing or sitting. Experience enhanced comfort.
I think it's a very good stool.